What's up, YouTube? This is Johnny B Pokemon, and I'm back with another video opening up some more Pokemon cards. In this video, I'm going to be opening up 2 3-pack blisters of Chilling Reign, as well as the latest first partner pack. First, let's get into the first partner pack. We have a Jumbo Mudkip, Trico, and Torchic. And the packs are Chilling Reign and Sword and Shield. And now for the 3-pack blisters. Code card. The single strike promo of Snorlax. And then the coin. And the next one. The code card. And the Eevee. And the coin, which is the same coin. Well, I'll start with the first partner pack packs. Code card. Energy. Energy Search. Krabby. Reverse Hollow, and oh, nice. Next pack. I put these aside because I've actually had some pretty interesting luck with the first partner packs lately. Code card. Wanted to see what the pull rates were looking like. Energy. Sneasel. Weedle. Farfetch'd. Reverse Hollow Gengar, and non-hollow. Well, I got one. All right, some more Chilling Reign. Code card. Energy. Haunter. Melanie. Coughing. Reverse Hollow, and nice, a full art trainer Brawly. That's a cool looking card. Very cool looking. I think this is my first full art trainer from Chilling Reign. Next pack. Code card. Energy. Old Cemetery. Reverse Hollow, and non-holo rare. Next pack. Code card. Energy. Impact Energy. Lapras. Deerling. Slowpoke. Coughing. Reverse Holo. And oh, I think I pulled this in my last video. Sleeve that up. Another full art. Let's get into the next pack. Code card. Energy. Spiritual Energy. Sneasel. Ghastly. Reverse Holo, and oh nice. Single Strike Urshifu. Holo. Next pack. Go card. Energy. Lantern. Farfetch'd. Heracross. Reverse Holo, and non-holo rare. And the next pack. Code card. Energy. Thwacky. Porygon. Rockruff. Reverse Holo, and non-holo rare. I'm also going to open up these two blister packs. First pack. Code card. Energy. Spiritual Energy. Heracross. Grookey. Reverse Holo, and non-holo rare. And the last pack for this video. Code card. Energy. Spiritual Energy. Coughing. Reverse Holo, and non-holo rare. Well, here are all the holos for this video, starting with the reverse holos. The full art VMAX, Calyrex. The full art trainer, Brawly. Full art Then the 2 promos. Single Strike, Snorlax, and Eevee. Thank you for checking out the video, and a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Later.